central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belfast, or near Easton, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Forks, Wilson, Nazareth, Bangor, Penn Argo, Windgap, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Belfast, Academy, East Bangor, Stormville, Roxburgh, Columbia, Phillipsburg, Stroudsburg, and Roseto. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 308 and 310. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 4 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe and Northampton.